Indian's passenger train network stands as one of the largest and most intricate in the world, connecting diverse regions, cultures, and communities across the vast subcontinent. With a rich history dating back to the 19th century, these trains have not only transformed travel but also contributed significantly to the country's economy by the facilitating trade and tourism. As we delve into the intricate working of the Indian Railways, we discover its commitment to safety, efficiency, and sustainability, striving to provide a seamless experience for the millions of the passengers daily. From the iconic Rajdhani Express to the scenic toy trains in the hills, the experience of the traveling by the train in the India is not just about reaching a destinations but also about the journey itself. Let's celebrate the spirit of Indian Railways and its pivotal role of national integration and progress. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for latest video update. Thank you.